How to customize sleep mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set it up to fit your nighttime routine. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Modes and Routines. After that, tap Modes at the top, then tap Sleep from the list. At this point, tap Schedule to set when sleep mode should turn on and off automatically each night. From here, choose between Set Time, which lets you pick a fixed start and end time, or Based on Charging, which activates sleep mode automatically whenever you plug in your phone overnight. Following this, scroll down and you'll see customization options for what happens while sleep mode is active. After that, toggle on Grayscale if you want your screen to switch to black and white during this time, which can help reduce the urge to keep scrolling. From here, toggle on Do Not Disturb if you want notifications silenced while the mode is running. At this point, scroll down further and you'll find Dim Wallpaper, which darkens your lock screen background for a less distracting display at night. Finally, if you want certain contacts to still reach you even during sleep mode, tap Allowed Calls and Texts and add the contacts you want to bypass the Do Not Disturb settings. That's how you customize sleep mode on Android. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!